Hi guys, and welcome again to Legit Always. Hope I give you a lesson on how to make money online. But today I'm going to show you a site whereby you cannot collect from it, but you can buy from it for free. So make sure to click the subscribe button, like this video, and share to your friend. Is something like this. So actually, in this you cannot sell, you can only buy, and you can buy for free. And how is that? On this, this is the only app that gives daily login of Kenya. Jumia results, you don't do that, but this site is doing it. That is what makes it stand out. And I advise you to just quickly grab on this now and copy the referral code in the description below and get into this site immediately and start logging in every day and collecting 10 naira as your daily login, and you can buy something for free. Now I'm going to check the reviews of this app just for you to be sure. This app is really good. I got my 1k bonus, but the problem is that I can't withdraw it. There is no withdrawal column in the app. Just fund your account. Yeah, you cannot withdraw from it, but you can only buy from it. Now, great app. I've done purchases and it was successfully delivered. The bonus is real. The daily bonus is real. I have accumulated 320 naira. I'm sure some of you say this is not real, but just keep on joking with this. I'm serious. If you like, so if there is a referral code, you cannot get the 1000 naira bonus because you need a sponsor. So it's on open. Then you can see this is just a newly created account, and now because I've not to every login, you can see the 10 naira already appearing there already. You can see 10 naira appearing there already. So that is how you continue logging every day and you're getting 10 naira, and you can fund your account just to add a little spice to it. Then to refer, just click on refer now, and then just copy your code. Just click on this, copy your code out, and then you're good to go. What else do you need to know about this? Fund your account. Click on this, click on fund your account right here. Then you're good to go for that also. Then if you want to buy something, I'll show you how amazing this is. Like cheap products on this site. Products you are seeing on Jumia for 15k, 20k, different amount. Now I'm going to show you in a very cheap price in this place. You can see all these expensive original AirPods for 14,000, 19,000 naira, 21,000 naira, 7,000 naira. You can see amazing products, beautiful products, and I'm sure this is better than Jumia. It's just underrated. Like this is a very nice app. I actually recommend you to start using it immediately. Click on the description, check the description below, copy out the code and register and get your 1000 naira bonus. Thank you once again for watching this video. Please share, comment, drop a comment, just drop something. Just say I have subscribed, or I will like it, and I will make sure to respond to you on every question you ask in the description in the comment section. So thank you once again for watching the video. See you in the next video.